So I'm sitting and wondering, like, no, the question of what does it mean to be Motswana? You know, like what does that mean for me as Motswana today in 2026? And I actually realize it just means that right now I'm the guy, I'm the person who speaks the language. Um, I live and from the lands which are occupied by Botswana with the people, yeah. But then there are some things like spiritual on a spiritual plane because the culture as it is, it has elements of spirituality in it, elements of, yeah, like these these traditions that has spiritual connotations, you know, like actually these things are more like questions. They mean to me they mean they are more like questions because, like, take for instance something like when your partner dies and Kastswana tsuntsune ditlhare, you have to tsuntsune ditlhare tsa Setswana, tsa boswagadi and all of that, like, yeah, when your partner married or not married, you know. So it's a question mark for me. It's a question of, do I do it? How sure am I that when I do it, it's going to solve anything? Because also, as a human being on the planet, looking at a whole bunch of other cultures, other people who do not do this particular tradition, particular ritual, you know, when their partner dies, or they do completely different thing when their partner dies, and they still live. They just fine because in Tswana, if you don't do that, you actually, like, it's said that you actually die, will get sick, and you will die if you don't do none of those. You know, or when a baby's born, you have to live mukhopa, like, I think it's a species of elu, like one of the small elu type thingy. You have to put them momonyako, mukhobo, and if you don't do that, spirits might come, or batho ba ka gata ngwana. Or just even with that, no one just comes in ka fo motsetse a leng ko teng, like. So I wonder, because when you ask elders about these things, I ask my elders about these things, they don't have answers. You know, they they just doing it because they were told to do it, and they were never given a chance to ask questions. But now I stand here and I have questions, so it's pretty much like a question mark. It's it's a question of, if this is true, why is it true? What distinguishes me as Motswana from every all these other people from different cultures and different races, different cultures? You know, is the answers in our creation story? You know, um, whereby if I'm remembering everything correctly. Um, Matieng, who's the first human, o nna ko tlasa ga lefatshe or ko gare ga lefatshe kwa Tintibane, and then he's charmed by Lowe, who lives on the surface, or he's charmed by Lowe from the underground to the surface by a form of a light, like one light, and then um Lowe. I mean, Matieng is charmed. He can't resist. He's charmed, and he ends up coming on the surface. You know, the story goes and goes. You know, but when you listen to that creation story, and you think about other creation stories across different races, you'd wonder, is it true? You'd wonder if is it true that these traditions or these traditions you gotta do, like a partner dies, you gotta do what you gotta do, or else you die. Is it because gene wise, Motswana is different, comes from a different place? You know, of course, we are taught or programmed of stuff like creation stuff. I mean, not growing up in Christian um, practicing families. We are told of Adam and Eve, um, growing up in a science world. So that we are told of um, the Big Bang and evolution. You know, these Darwin theories. So a part of you wanna a part of you wanna say, nah, that's bullshit. As a Bantu person, as they say we are, but as a black person, as we are told, um, they say we come from somewhere as a group of Bantu people. So there's that too. Like we come from somewhere, so that means we're probably the same. We're one family, but they have different creation stories. So you actually realize this tradition, it comes with a certain level of fear. Yes, you are programmed, but it comes with a certain level of fear that if you don't do it, I might die. It's clearly a program, right? You are told you don't have any proof, but investigating towards proof, and you wonder if so you have as